Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a classic Tequila Sunrise like a pro. The Tequila Sunrise is beautifully concocted with 3 simple ingredients: tequila, grenadine, and orange juice. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a tall glass of about 14-ounce capacity. Pour half an ounce of grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate-flavored syrup, and mostly used to give color. Now swirl the glass slowly, so that the grenadine can spread on the bottom, and create a realistic sunrise. Perfect. Fill up the glass with fresh ice cubes, as it melts slowly, and keeps the drink fresh for a long time. I hope you are enjoying this video. Pour 1½ ounces of tequila. Today I am using a reposado or rested tequila, though you can use any tequila of your choice. Now top up with orange juice. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to write to me. I will be happy to hear you. Now stir slowly to create a red hue at the bottom of the cocktail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Okay, let's garnish the cocktail. I am using a dehydrated cherry and an orange slice, though you can use a fresh one. The classic Tequila Sunrise is ready for you. Cheers, and have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.